Tesla has been placing a greater emphasis on casting technology over the past few years so that it can produce larger pieces of a vehicle. To create the underbody sections, Tesla plans to use large single castings and connect them with a battery pack that will serve as part of the body structure. As a result of the invention, vehicles weigh less and are easier to assemble. In the background, Tesla is quietly developing a trillion-dollar weapon that will seal its position at the top of the electric vehicle manufacturing world. Welcome to Elon Musk Trending. In this video, we are going to share with you what this secret weapon is and how it could help Tesla achieve success and increase production. But before we jump in, if you can spare one more second, please hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so that you will never miss any updates. In the form of the Giga Press, Tesla is quietly constructing a trillion-dollar weapon. Tesla started building electric cars in 2017 for the first time. After that, Tesla's new Model 3 became the focus of the new direction the company took. That is the idea behind the production of vehicles that would appeal to a wide range of customers at a reasonable price. Interestingly, Musk and his team did not discuss their technological tinkering and changes. There was no mention of the nuances of mass production techniques. The technology was also downplayed and subsequently concealed within the vehicle. All of this changed later when Sandy Munro, an automotive engineer and a consultant, was encouraged by his friends to give a serious look at the Tesla Model 3. In his video, the veteran stripped the Model 3 down to its chassis and compared it to some BMW and Chevrolet products. Munro's findings and explanations left everyone surprised. The Tesla vehicle made in 2017 was light years ahead of its time. All of the car's components, from its drivetrain to its battery technology and electronics, each part better than the next, are all unrivaled in the industry. However, Munro was disappointed with the vehicle's body design. He concluded that this was his only major problem with Model 3. He said it was too heavy, complex, too expensive, and ultimately difficult to manufacture. He had some wonderful suggestions for Tesla that would not only improve the vehicle's body, but also go on to save the company potentially millions in production. He forwarded about 227 improvements to Tesla that would enable them to outclass their competition. While the company may not have made an official statement to his claims, they certainly took his advice. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has always been known to accept constructive criticism irrespective of who it was coming from. This is another thing that has helped the company become one of the leading manufacturers in the world. Elon Musk has started a plan that would first be seen in the Model Y at the Giga Berlin factory in Germany. On the 18th of January 2021, Musk was quoted saying, "With our giant casting machines, we are attempting to create full-sized cars in the same way that toy cars are made." This revolutionary approach to car making is split into two major focuses, with the first being a complete body revamp of all Tesla vehicles, and the second being a major improvement on battery engineering. The new body would take a very minimalistic approach. It would consist of two giant Giga castings, one for the front and the other for the rear. It would also include a central battery pack structure that would support the structure of the vehicle itself. Compared to previous iterations, this new design would save Tesla 370 parts, thereby reducing the vehicle mass by 10% while adding 14% to its range. However, before we get too excited, the Giga casting and revolutionary Model Y designs are not Tesla's focus. Musk has said this part is easy. The hard part is creating an efficient manufacturing system. The focus for Tesla is their gigafactory and the new machinery that Tesla is introducing to the car manufacturing industry. The machine is the Giga Press, and it is Tesla's secret weapon that would launch them into the ridiculous manufacturing speeds Musk has predicted. What is the Giga Press? The Giga Press is a high-pressure aluminum die-casting machine manufactured by the Italian company Idra. Tesla currently has 4 gigafactories across the globe, out of which 2 are under construction. The Gigafactory in Shanghai has 3 GigaPress machines and 2 in both California and Berlin, while the factory in Austin has their machines fully operational. These GigaPress machines are custom orders from Idra, and they are one of a kind and one of the largest machines in the world at the moment. The average GigaPress is as big as a house and is capable of casting extremely large components. The GigaPress that casts the components for the Model Y is a 6,000-ton machine, and the one that Tesla plans to use for the Cybertruck is about 8,000 tons. The higher pressure is what results in faster injection and better conformance of the alloy to the mold. The weight of the Giga Press itself weighs about 410 to 430 tons only, which are roughly between 900,000 pounds and 950,000 pounds. Wow, what a machine! A gigapress has a cycle time of 90 seconds and can produce roughly 1,000 castings per day. The factory in Berlin alone is projected to get about 6 of these machines, so even with the added casting of the rear underbody and front parts, these enormous production numbers cannot be affected. 4,000 vehicles can be produced per day, 28,000 vehicles per week, and a ridiculous 1.5 million vehicles per year. To put things in a better perspective, these numbers are only for the Model Y at Giga Berlin. This is the way Tesla Giga Press works. Before anything, Tesla's custom aluminum alloy is melted down at 850 degrees Celsius, and byproducts like aluminum oxide are removed from the surface, and liquid metal is moved through liquid pipes at the same temperature. While there, various gases remove any impurities and prevent the formation of oxides. After this process, a robot sprays the inside of the mold with a thin layer of oil, which ensures that the casting can easily be removed after the process. The mold is then clamped shut, and a vacuum pumps out the air from the inside, allowing the liquid metal to be evenly distributed in all areas. When this process is done, about 80 kilograms of molten metal is pumped rapidly at a neck-breaking speed of 10 meters per second or 22 miles per hour. The mold is filled 60 to 100 milliseconds, and after this, another robot removes the casting, which should have cooled to about 400 degrees Celsius, and then places it in a quenching tank that further reduces the temperature to about 50 degrees. The excess aluminum is cut off and shredded before being thrown into a smelter oven, where it is recycled for other castings. After the process is done, the final casting is X-rayed to verify the structure, then it is computer measured for accuracy. While Tesla has gotten a lot of praise for its stride in innovation, market analysts have been concerned about the competition and copycats Tesla will likely face. Already, the company that owns Idra, LK Technology, has 3 sets of 9,000-ton Giga Presses. The irony is the Giga Presses were not made for Tesla, and they can't be bought because another customer unrelated to Tesla has already ordered them. This leads to the question, can any random person purchase a GigaPress machine? What does this mean for Tesla's idea? Well, the answer is yes, people can buy a GigaPress and already have. People have already been stealing Tesla's work and ideas. However, it is not easy to replicate the work of the great Elon Musk and his team. To begin with, the GigaPress at Tesla's gigafactories is custom-made, and only Tesla is allowed to have its kind. Also, Tesla holds a patent for a multi-directional unibody casting machine that is public. Musk has said that no matter what happens and how much information is released to the public, competitors would try to copy but still find themselves light years behind Tesla's current technology and innovation. Why hasn't Tesla acquired Idra yet? If they do this, then they won't bother about competition stealing their ideas or making copies of their vehicles. Also, LK, Idra's parent company, is listed on the stock market at just over $1 billion. The acquisition of Idra would be a cakewalk for Tesla, as the company has more than enough cash on hand to buy the company. So why haven't they? The answer is simple: innovation and foresight. The reason why they haven't bought Idra is the same reason they haven't bought Panasonic, the company that they partner with to create their batteries. There's a limit to the amount of Giga Presses that Tesla needs. The moment Tesla installs them and they are fully functional, there will be no use for the machines or the companies supplying them. When you consider how fast Tesla has been growing, it won't be surprising if they find new methods to manufacture cars that would not require the GigaPress. Just a few years ago, Tesla's industrial robots were cutting edge, but now they are looked at as a forgotten era. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Can Tesla create a more efficient manufacturing device than the GigaPress? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.